Good morning, welcome to Truck Smart. My name is Carl, and today I'd like to show you this brand new 2024 MACK MD6 mechanics truck. This is under CDL, 25,995 GVW. This truck has 10,000 pound front axle, 21,000 pound rear axle, and has an air ride suspension. Powertrain is a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. Made it to an Allison transmission. So this truck has an 11-foot mechanic service body on it. You have 4 cabinets on both sides, double cabinet over the wheels. On the driver's side over here, we've got an aluminum 6-drawer tool chest, C-Tech, top of the line. Adjustable shelves in the other compartments. There are hydraulic outriggers in the back and extra supports in the front of the body. This truck was equipped with the aluminum Alcoa wheels, very nice. This 11-foot Palfinger service body has a 30-inch workbench bumper at the back. There are 8 D-rings mounted in the bed for tie downs. They do a complete Line-X lining inside the entire utility body, on the surface of the workbench bumper, and up and over the tops of the boxes. This particular crane is a Palfinger PSC 10829. This is a 3-section extended crane. Has a 10,800 pound capacity. Comes with 2 different blocks. This truck also has an air compressor, 50-foot hose reel located back here, rated at 45 psi, 45 cubic feet per minute at 150 psi. Down there are your controls for the hydraulic outriggers. Front cabinet over here is vented for oxyacetylene tank storage. There are work lights mounted on the front and the rear of the body. And let me take you inside the truck and show you a few features there. So as I said, this truck is equipped with the Cummins 6.7 liter turbo diesel. The transmission is an Allison 2500 RDS, rugged duty service. This has an air ride suspension and an air ride seat. You have PTO driven capabilities for the mechanics tools. The truck has power windows, door locks, power mirrors that are heated, cruise control, Bluetooth, and keyless. My number is 215-828-1572. My name is Carl. If you have any questions about this or any other trucks, I'd be happy to help you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.